In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides look good. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can go from a blank idea to a polished professional deck with just a few thoughtful choices. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. You'll land on the homepage where your recent presentations live. From here, the easiest way to level up your design quickly is to explore what's already available. At the top of the page, look for Template Gallery. Clicking this reveals a broader selection beyond the default options you see at first glance. Take a moment to browse the categories and preview a few designs. When choosing a template, think about your audience and the tone you're aiming for. A classroom update benefits from something bright and friendly, while a business pitch may call for a clean, minimal layout. Look for strong contrast, clear headings, and layouts that give your content room to breathe. If you already have brand colors in mind, pick a template whose palette won't clash with them. When one feels right, select it to open a new presentation based on that design. Now it's time to customize the template so it feels like your own. Replace placeholder text with your key messages using short headlines and concise bullet alternatives like brief phrases or sentences. Keep a consistent hierarchy: big, bold titles, medium subheads, smaller body text. Aim for 2 font families at most, one for headings and one for body, to keep things cohesive and readable. Swap out placeholder images with your own visuals. Use high-resolution images, and if you need to crop or mask, use the built-in image tools to keep everything aligned. Stick to a limited color set that complements the template. If the theme colors aren't quite right, adjust them so accents, shapes, and charts match consistently across slides. Maintain plenty of white space so each slide has a clear focal point, and align elements using the on-screen guides. Consistent margins and alignment make a huge difference in polish. Customize the master or theme layout if you want global changes like a different background, logo placement, or updated fonts. This ensures every slide stays consistent without editing each one manually. Keep charts and icons simple with labels that are easy to read. Use subtle transitions and animations sparingly so they enhance, not distract. Finally, do a quick pass for spelling, spacing, and contrast, and preview your slides in present mode to check readability. That's it. Choose a smart starting point, then refine with consistency and clarity, and your Google Slides will look great.